You're watching Forex ebook stores. Advanced insights, no fluff. Ever executed a perfect strategy back-tested over a decade of data only to watch your live trade implode? You nailed the theory, but the market had other plans. Welcome to the grand, frustrating, and ultimately defining arena of Forex, the chasm between theory and practice. All right, experts, let's cut right to it. You know the theory cold. You can quote support and resistance, Fibonacci retracements, and smart money concepts in your sleep. Your trading plan is a work of art. That's the textbook. That's the simulator. But practice? Practice is the volatile, liquidity-driven beast where price action doesn't read the books you did. The theory says a pin bar at a key level is a high probability reversal signal. Practice teaches you that in a low liquidity session, that same pin bar can be a trap run by a single institutional order before the market reverses and takes your stop. Theory gives you clean, logical entries. Practice forces you to grapple with slippage on a high-impact news event where your perfect 1.12345 entry becomes 1.1238, blowing your meticulously calculated risk-to-reward ratio. This disconnect isn't a failure of your knowledge. It's the final exam. The market is a living ecosystem of fear, greed, and real capital. Your theoretical edge is just a hypothesis until it survives the emotional and mechanical chaos of live execution. We talk about discipline in theory as sticking to a plan. In practice, discipline is the gut-wrenching act of taking that full loss on a trade that looked perfect without hesitation because your rules say so. It's ignoring the 5 other setups that appear in real time, which you would have taken back in your demo days. The bridge between theory and practice isn't more theory, it's nuanced adaptation. It's learning to read context over conformation. That textbook perfect double top means nothing if it's forming within a weekly bullish order block. Your job is no longer just to recognize patterns, but to weigh them against the heavier metrics of market context, liquidity pools, and interbank flow that the charts only hint at. Your edge comes from applying deep theory to the imperfect reality, knowing when to be rigid with your risk management and fluid with your entry precision. Theory is your map. Practice is the terrain with all its unexpected storms and obstacles. The expert trader is the one who can navigate that terrain without throwing the map away, but also without blindly following it off a cliff. If this breakdown of real-world execution resonated with you, then you're in the right place. Smash that like button, it helps us bring more advanced content to you. Subscribe and hit the bell to avoid missing our next deep dive, where we'll deconstruct the myth of set-and-forget trading. Let us know in the comments below. What is the one theoretical concept that most consistently fails you in live practice? Share your battle stories. Until next time, trade deliberately, not just theoretically. This is Forex ebook stores, out.